everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn this 6-foot, $2, cost me $2 at Lowe's, 6-foot wooden fence picket into a hexagon shelf that you can place on the wall. $2 to make this, super simple. Alright, so first thing you need to do is decide what size you want to make your shelf. I'm going to make mine, each one of the sides 8 inches long. In order to do that, we just need to set up the saw here. I'm going to put a little block here. I'm going to make it about 8 inches, and we're just about 8 inches right there. So I'll be able to do these rapidly one at a time. And then we need to set the blade so it cuts at a 30-degree angle. Okay, in order to make this a 30-degree angle mine, there's an adjustment in the back here. Got a little bit of dust on here from the last time I used this. So I'm going to cut this at a 30-degree angle, so it's 30 degrees right here on the back of my saw. Tighten that back up. Alright. And we're going to start cutting the pickets. Okay, now once you got the saw set up like you want it, you got to cut off a 30-degree angle out at the end here first. So that's the first thing we're going to do. We're going to cut this little dog ear off at the end. And make sure you got that set up so we can cut that 30-degree angle there. I got to flip it over. Push it up against the stop block. Cut another 30-degree angle. And what happens here, it ends up cutting 30 degrees on both ends here. So what I'm going to do is just continue that process. Just slide it against the stop block. You got to flip it over first. Don't forget to flip it over. Slide up against the stop block. Continue that process until I have 6 for each side of the shelving unit. Flip this over again, up against the stop block. That's 3. Flip it over again, against the stop block. Flip it over again, against the stop block. And we need one more. When you're at Lowe's, you just want to make sure, a big tip, you want to make sure you got a board that's flat. Lots of times these boards are warped and twisted. You just got to make sure they're flat. Okay, that's it from the cutting part. Okay, next thing we're going to do, we're going to lay these out end to end, upside down. After we turn these over so that the cut edge is facing down, we line these up how we want them. And then we run some tape over. Painter's tape works well with this also. But you got to make sure you have tape all the way down over the edges on one side. Just make one end longer than the other. Alright, I like to take a squeegee just to make sure the tape's stuck on there real good. This is rough sawn, so it's the tape doesn't stick as well to it. If you used regular lumber, it would stick a lot better. But I like the rustic look of the rough sawn. Now we're going to flip this over. And we're going to put glue in each one of the joints. Wood glue. I just use this guy at Lowe's, Tight Bond Premium Wood Glue. Seems to work well for me. got that glued up, we just go ahead and roll these right in here like this. Put some glue on this last end here. Match these up. Pull the tight, pretty tight here. I have found that you can leave these like this. Just make sure everything's even flat here. Make sure everything looks the way you want it. I found you can leave these glued seams like this if you want. But I like to just go ahead and throw some brad nails in it just to make sure everything stays together. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I got some 1-inch brad nails. Put those. Now I'm just going to clean up any wood glue that has bled through the seams here with a wet rag. Just clean that up before it dries. And once this dries, we'll take the tape off. We'll leave it set for a few hours. And then to hang it on the wall, sometimes I just put a couple nails or a couple screws in the wall, hang it on the wall there. I also have D-rings where I'll put in here and we can hang it through the D-rings. I'll show you that here in a little bit. Okay, there's two ways I like to hang these. Number one way is just put screws in the wall and just hang it right on the wall like that. That to me is the easiest way. Screws, nails, it'll hang up on the wall, no problem. Another way I like to do it is with these D-rings. Let me get a couple of these out of the bag here real quick. Buy these on eBay, buy 100, it's pretty cheap. And these little D-rings, they will sit right in the corner here, like this. And you put a screw in there. You put a screw in there and you can just hang it like that. The only drawback with these is an exposed nail then that you see. The other way it seems to hide a little bit better, but I'll show you these real quick. Screws. There they are. Alright, I'll just stick these right on the top of here like this. My screw right there. My fat fingers are in the way here. You could drill pilot holes, probably be just as easy, but I'll just screw it right in there with that, with a little power drill or power screwdriver like I'm using. Tighten it right up there. And I'll just do the same thing to the other side. Here. I'll show you what they look like hanging on the wall. Alright, there I have it hanging on the wall. Right in this example, I am using the D-rings. I just put a couple screws in the wall. They say use screws, nails, picture hangers, whatever. I'm going to show you what I do also as I just hang it. You can hang it like that just on the screws there. It sort of hides the screws a little bit better. Either way. Alright, there's our finished hexagon shelf. $2 to make this, about 10 minutes and the day to let the glue dry. Simple project. If you like this project and our other videos, please like and share with your friends. Thank you. Have a good day.